Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. These are my few previous videos and I hope you guys have already loved it. And thank you so much for your love and support.
Hello everybody, welcome back. So the first thing is definitely my skin prep up. If you have been following for a little while, you already know that before I do any kind of makeup or anything that we apply on the face, the first thing is skin prep up. So I already washed my face, so I'm gonna hydrate. I have two major favorite serum. One is pomegranate skin repair facial oil and one is argan oil. So these are the beautiful oils that I love before the skin makeup. So I will be taking today Good Vibes Argan Facial Oil with gold leaves. Now this is one of the amazing product, and I really love using it. It is at all not sticky, and mine is combination skin, so it does not stick to your skin at all. So I will be taking a little bit, and today is a dewy makeup look, so little bit it will be pretty dewy one. Okay, the skin prep up is done. I will let this oil to get absorbed completely, and after that, the next thing is definitely the lip prep up. This oil is so good that it hydrates your skin from within. Please don't mind my hair, it is not in a good shape for today. I'll hydrate my lips with this Stay Quirky Lip Last Lip Balm, and this is in the flavor cinnamon. So wow, this is matching with my top. But I'll moisturize my lips. That is very important. So this step is done. The next thing I will be doing is check whether it is absorbed. Okay, it is. So today, next thing I will be doing is the foundation. I will be taking this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Warm Nude 128. This is particular shade that I will be using, and I will be mixing with a liquid highlighter from Naleo. So I will be mixing this and this together. So I'll take at the back of my hand a little more, and then with a liquid highlighter, because this is a dewy look, so it has to be a little dewish, so that's the reason I'll be mixing with this. This is a beautiful liquid highlighter. I really love this. So I'm gonna just mix, and will be using this kind of brush. First I will be mixing with the help of my fingertips, then I will be applying it. Never forget your neck region. So and then I will be quickly blending this. Do not apply it over the eyes. Whatever is remaining, that you can do it, but never apply it on the eyelid directly. Like whatever is remaining is pretty fine. So I've blended my foundation real well, applied everywhere including my neck area. And the next thing is I will be definitely gonna set this with the help of any compact or any loose powder. But today I do not want to use any of the compact and loose powder because it's a dewy look. So whenever we are trying to create dewy look, please make sure that you do not use too much of compact or loose powder, so that the look completely becomes matte. So this is a dewy look, so I will definitely be leaving this without even any kind of compact, because that's pretty much, it's well absorbed. Let me give you a close pic. Everything is well absorbed and there is a dewy finish. If you can see, yes, there is a dewy finish. So with the help of compact, I do not want to lose that look, so I will definitely be not using the compact for this particular look. The next thing I will quickly switch is fill up my brows, and then I will start with the eye makeup. So for that I am using this brow pencil from Miniso, which I really use. Apart from that, if you are really bored of the Miniso one, then you can definitely go ahead with Miss Claire, and there are a lot of other options. So I'm just gonna quickly fill up my brows. I don't do too much of brows, but I kind of fill it up. And I always use brown, by the way. I do not use black because that looks a little artificial and also doesn't give me that satisfying look. So that's in there. So I've done this, and if you really have a spoolie, then definitely you can do that. At the back of this pencil, oh, I have this small one just to fill in the fine details. So I'll just fill a little finer ones. Okay, so that's pretty much. And then definitely I will be going with the eye makeup. Now for the eye makeup, I wanted to keep it really simple, because you know, it's a dewy kind of makeup, and this is not something which is too loud or something like that. So I will be changing the brush with the eye makeup brush, and I will be using a simple palette. This is from the 7Cs. By the way, if you have missed to check out my favorite palettes, that video will already be uploaded in my other channel, which is Ritu's Rainbow World. So you can definitely go ahead and check in there. I have mentioned all the palettes, the basic or the higher palettes that is required to achieve the looks that I always do on my channel. So you can definitely go ahead and check out that video. So without further ado, let's just do the eyes first. So I will be taking this sort of brush, and then I will be taking this color to build up the corners. This color, this brownish one, and let's just see how it works out. Pat off the excess one, and then in the corners, not the corners, the stroke, we have to kind of place it. So that's how we need to do it. Taking a little more of it and trying to do the crease area, and same. The same I'll do with the other one. So this look will be completely subtle one, so it will not be too much of like overdo kind of. I'll start building up the color, but not too much, because I don't think too much building up is required for this look. So I'm not gonna build up it too much, but over the crease area I have to again dust off the excess. So I have like almost 70% build up the color, but little bit in the inner ones. I'm just gonna do it with the same shade, especially the crease line, and then the inner one. Okay, that's pretty much. So the next thing which I will be doing is definitely do this high bone, which would be with the highlighter. So the highlighter which I am using, this shimmer one highlighter, and the brush that I will be using for this is, okay, this smooth small brush. Yeah. So taking a bit of this, dusting the excess, and this bone I'm just gonna do it. The same thing I will be doing with this one. Now do not mind my brows because I have not done it for a very long time, and I need to do this because of this pandemic. So please do not mind it. With the same brush I'm just gonna put it back. Okay, and then with the same brush I'll do the inner corners. I hope that is pretty visible. Okay, I'll take the brush. I'll take this little fluffy brush and dust off the excess. Okay, this one is done. Okay, so the inner corner is also like kind of done, and little highlight area I'll do a little bit of more. Other areas so little bit I'm gonna dust off the excess. Okay, let me give you a little closer look of how this turned out. So that's how it turned out. I'm really halfway through because in the upper eyelid we did it, in the lower also we need to do it halfway through with the same color. So I will be going with the same color and pat off the excess, and the down part halfway through again I'll move. This is a really handy and a cute palette with all the good color combination of, you know, subtle and the dark ones. So I really love this palette. Okay, so that's in there. I need to comb my hair because my hair is really bad today, so I'm just gonna comb it and then do the rest of it because I'm really uncomfortable with my hair, the way it is behaving. Okay, so that's in there. The next very quick thing which I will be doing is definitely the eyeliner. Now for today I will be doing not using the normal black eye color. Instead I will be using this NY Bay eyeliner in the green one because I really want to use this with this subtle look. Okay, before we do the eye part, I would definitely be doing the kind of bronzer. I'll not do blusher over here because this is a very dewy look, and if you kind of do a blusher, then I don't think that will turn out to be a little you know, kind of dewy. But again, if you really want, let me do the blusher also. I'll do the blusher with this one. So taking a little bit, it's very pigmented, and doing this. So really minimal I'm doing it, because I wanted to move to the highlighter or the kind of bronzer. For that I will be using this gold one, and I will be using this sort of brush. Take it, brush off the excess. It's very pigmented, by the way. Again, with this kind of fluffy brush, I'm just gonna blend it because this is really getting too loud. So I'm just gonna brush that off. The same thing I have done with this. Now my blusher, I've come till here. I'm just gonna clean this as well. Now for this you can definitely use contour part, but I'm not using contour for today because I wanted to keep it really simple. Then I will be using the lip liner. I'm using again lip color, the Fashion Factory. This is the nude color which I will be using today because it's a complete dewy look, and I want to keep it very minimal, like very basic and very dewy and subtle kind of look. So okay, so this is the color that I have applied. Done with like everything. If you want to highlight a little bit on your forehead, you can do that. If you really want to contour it, that's completely your choice, but I want to keep it a little minimal, so I did not do any of them. I will be using this green liner from NYB, and this is again my absolute favorite. I'm just gonna pair this up with this dewy look, and let's see how it turns out. And definitely I will be doing the mascara after that. That's the final step that I will be doing. Sorry, I have to go a little closer while applying this. Okay, so that's in that. So it's almost done. The last thing is definitely the mascara part. So let me give you a very closer look. So that's how it turned out. Really nude, kind of dewy, and I love it. I really love this look. So this is a day-to-day look I think you can create while going to office, like going to meet out friends on a, you know, in a normal meeting or something. So you can definitely create this. And last, Neon Doll Eye Mascara, which I will be using. I'll let it dry, the eyeliner, for a little while, or else that's gonna mess up the look. So I'm just gonna preparing for the mascara, and start it. Give a little So this mascara is something I love. I love this mascara. You can use falsies, by the way, but I am not a very big fan of falsies, so in the lower lash line. So whenever you are doing the lower lash line, look downwards and then you kind of do it. Okay, so that is pretty much of this look, and I hope you really loved enjoying, or you have enjoyed, you have loved watching this, because that's all. It completes the look. And let me give you a very close you know, view of it. So I was talking about this dewy kind of look, very simple but yet so good and very minimalistic. So I hope you have really loved it, and if so, do take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, do comment and share this video to as many as people as you can. And I have another channel, so I will leave the link of both of my YouTube channel in the description box, so please don't forget to check that out. And this is the festive look. The last video that I've already uploaded in my channel, which is Ritu's Rainbow World, is the festive makeup look. Now this is the look which is day-to-day look, which you can, like, dewy look, I've created, and I hope this was also a little helpful for you. And do follow me on Instagram as Rituparna_Datta_Deb, and in Facebook as Riya Sweetie Datta. So that's pretty much for today's video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Stay blessed.